This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Jaguar XE bonnet. Locate the interior hood release under the left dash and pull it firmly until the primary latch clicks, then walk to the front, feel for the secondary catch beneath the grille, release it with your fingers, and lift the bonnet with both hands, supporting it with the prop rod or gas strut securely before driving. Always check stability. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and locating the hood release on the lower left dash, then pull it firmly until you hear a click. Move to the front of the car, press the secondary catch under the grille, and lift the bonnet using both hands to control its motion. Finally, either slot the prop rod in place or confirm the gas strut supports the bonnet and check stability before working. If the interior release seems stuck, unlock the car and pull the lever firmly while applying steady force. When visibility is limited, use a flashlight to locate the secondary catch under the grille and gently depress it before lifting. If the bonnet does not stay up, use the prop rod and avoid leaning on the bonnet, and plan to replace weak gas struts promptly to maintain safe support during.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.